Hey, what's up guys? These are the Sparco Evo Seats that I'm going to be installing my Miata. I just got them from Murray Motorsports from Ireland. Came undamaged. Also ordered the 6-point harness. Probably should have got a different harness color, but we got black with the black cam lock. These seats are the regular Evo standard size. I'm about a 33 waist and they fit perfect for me. These are FIA approved. They have some like this kind of like grippy texture on the shoulder bolster and also in the butt pad. These are fixed back fiberglass. They're pretty light. Can't wait to get these in. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.